Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to, what is on my hand? Lord Jesus. Channel Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives Lexquisitely, one plan at a time. Let's hop into the wellness. Ow. So, we're going to pop right into the first week of August. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with my monthly. Last month, whoa, scary. I just put some encouraging quotes and I marked all the days that I hit 10,000 steps. I may continue that for this month. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? That was a random sidebar, by the way. So, and this month we're back to the muted green. And we are going to use our Cool to Be Kind and Fitness sticker books for this spread. As always, I have pre-pulled a few stickers, and we're going to start with the sideboard. And I just realized last week that I always tend to start with my sideboard. I have no idea why that is. But, yeah. So for whatever reason, I always have the hardest time putting the sticker on straight, and it's still kind of crooked, but hey, whatevs. It's on here, that's all that matters. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all my food trackers on, and I have been doing pretty good with this for the most part. What I am seeing that I don't like, because you guys know I am doing a modified version of the 75 hard, which I need to get a workout in today before I go to work. So instead of doing the 2 workouts a day, I am going to start off with 1 this week. And I'm going to have to work my way up because my body, when my body says that's enough, that means that's enough. And I'm back to like detoxing because not that I drank, but I ate some McDonald's this weekend. And the one thing about me eating healthier now is all the junk that I used to eat on a regular basis, my body is denying. Like, the minute I eat McDonald's, I have to go crap. For lack of a better term. Like, oh, I was all out of frame. Why y'all ain't tell me? I have to go because my stomach be so upset. So I'm trying to get back on it, getting back my gallon in, and reading and whatnot. So maybe let's not call it the 75 hard and challenge. Let's say it's 75 hard inspired. There we go. Because I don't want any of the 75 hard Nazis coming for me. So, we got that. Now I'm going to have to use mine. Y'all, sometimes I think I have way too much stuff in my planner bag. Just sometimes. Not all the time. Just sometimes. I was even thinking about just getting a separate bag to keep at my filming area. But then it's like, what's the fun in that? Because I don't take my planner bag out of the house unless I'm going to like a planner something. Like going to my planner besties or something like that, because I plan 90% at home. I have my purse planner, but you know, that's a different story. So we're just gonna take all of, oh. Hey, nobody told you to stay. Oh, there is one thing I do. I just got reminded. I think it is that Sunday. I'm gonna have to put that in my catch-all. One of my cousins is preggers. And she's supposed to have her baby name reveal. I mean, not baby name. The gender reveal. Girl, what is going on here? Why can't you get your life together, girl? The gender reveal, she's supposed to have it, I think next Sunday. I believe. Either next Sunday or Saturday on Zoom. Because, you know, coronavirus and all that. So, hopefully, we'll be back from taking my nephew. Wait, is it this Sunday or next? I need to look at the date because my days is all mixed up, y'all. Don't listen to me. I gotta get my life together. So, in other news, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, yeah. So in other news, by the time this week rolls around, why can't I get a sticker to stay on to save my life? By the time this week rolls around, I should be back ready to start going to the gym. I'm secretly hoping that so it's not too cross on the other page. I'm secretly hoping that hopefully by this time my girlfriend would have either gotten her car already or will be in the process of getting ready to purchase one, so that I can move and groove the way I would like to move and groove, because that is part of the issue now. Is we are sharing one vehicle with two opposite work schedules, which is why I use my mom's vehicle a lot. Why am I giving y'all all this information that y'all ain't asked for? We supposed to be talking about wellness. Okay, let's get to the wellness. Well, that pertains to it, but basically I'll be able to go to the gym more because then I'm not tied down to other people's schedules, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I'm happy and I'm blessed that my mom allows us to use her vehicle, but some days it's rough when you can't move and groove the way you want to move and groove. So, y'all know I am the queen of cutting a quote. So this says, "Don't stop until you're proud," which is where we got the color inspiration from. And I'm about to cut this puppy up because I'm going to put it on this side and I'll put the one day at a time on this side. So I'm going to cut every word. That way I can place this quote the way I want to. Okay. Put that over there. Now over here. Before I put these quotes down, I'm going to go ahead and... Go ahead, really, sis? Chill. I'm going to go ahead and put my journaling stickers down. Just because I do want to start writing, like, how I feel that day and whatnot. Okay. I was like, let me put that in there first before I start. That's crooked, but you know, today is not a day that we're gonna stress over the crooked things in the world. Okay, let's see. And then I'm gonna take wipe these out. because we don't need them. They were not invited to the party. Don't stop until you're proud. I need an exclamation on here. Boop, boop. I'll put it until back over there. I don't like it right here. Oh, y'all probably didn't see that because I was on camera. There we go. We'll put it until there. You're proud. Yes, that's cute. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I need to white out this movement so I can put my workout sticker, and I'm going to white out this intention so I can put my Fitbit sticker. I'm going to pop that right on top. And then I'm going to cut off these steps, calories, blah, 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 because I don't use that part of the sticker. Turn this the right way. And I got my Fitbit. Now, what I'm going to do with these are, originally I was going to do them like this, but I'm going to cut down the middle and do them that way. We have that one. Can y'all see that? Because of the foil. Oh Lord, y'all can't see it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh. The lights is too bright. Okay. And remember, the Cool to Be Kind sticker book is a student sticker book, which is why I am cutting these, because they're made to fit in the student squares that are on that sticker book, but I want to use them to track my overall steps. Because, to be honest, I didn't really have, there wasn't really that many colors, like the colors that were in this quote, because that's kind of what started it all. So I wanted to make sure. Put that one. And I have a half of an extra one, so I'm just gonna put it down there just because there's nowhere else that I would use it. So here we are. Yeah. Steps are probably gonna be low these 2 days because those are the days that we're gonna go take my nephew home, sad face. But here is my wellness spread for August 3rd through the 9th, the first week of August. We are past the halfway mark of the year, guys, and 2020 has been crazy. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Matter of fact, comment what your craziest moment of 2020 has been so far. Like for me, the craziest, I won't even say moment, the craziest time for me was moving in a quarantine. Like even though I moved to the same apartment complex, just a different unit, that was hectic and stressful. I wouldn't wish that on anybody. But I'll see you all in my next one. Bye now.